What is two-factor authentication?
Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. It requires two forms of identification: something you know, like your password, and something you have, such as a phone or authentication app. Enabling 2FA greatly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, even if your password is stolen.
Why should I use 2FA on my devices?
Using 2FA helps protect your personal data, finances, and sensitive information. Cyber attacks and phishing attempts commonly target passwords alone. With 2FA, even if someone gets your password, they would still need your second factor, typically a code from your phone or app, to break in.
Which devices and services support 2FA?
Most major devices and services now support 2FA, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, email providers, social media platforms, and online banking. Common examples include Google, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, and many more. You can usually find 2FA options in account or security settings.
How do I set up 2FA on my device?
To enable two-factor authentication, visit your account's security settings. Look for an option labeled Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. Choose your preferred second factor, which may be a text message code, an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy, or a hardware security key. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup.
What if I lose access to my 2FA method?
Most services provide backup options such as recovery codes or an alternate phone number. Store these safely in case you lose access to your 2FA device. If you're locked out, use the account's recovery process or contact support for help. Setting up backup options in advance helps prevent permanent loss of access.